Hi, if you are having problem with calculation of maximum cost per click amount for your Google ad campaign, then this video is for you. So within next few minutes, you are going to learn how to calculate max CPC rate for your Google ad campaign, and then second one, how to set max CPC rate for each and every keywords on your Google ad campaign. So let's get into the topic. So these are the keywords which I selected and downloaded from Keyword Planner. So if you do not know how to do keyword research, you can watch my keyword research video. I will add the link of this video on the description box below. Please check it. So after having the keywords, then I can calculate the max CPC rate for these keywords. So without these three columns, one is monthly search volume, then low bid range and high bid range for keywords. Others columns have been deleted. So what I did here is I just find out the average value for these two columns data. So the average value for these two columns data is 11.36, and this average value is the max CPC rate for our campaign, these keywords. So we got our max CPC rate. So now we have to set this amount for these keywords on Google ad campaign. So let's go to the Google ad account. This is my Google ad account. From here I have to go on campaigns, then select my campaign. Then before setting max CPC rate, I have to change my bidding strategy. From here, from setting. So this is my campaign name leads search to. So I am going to change the bidding strategy, which is currently maximize clicks. I am going to change it as manual CPC. So click on this option, then change bid strategy. Then click on this option, select a bid strategy directly. Then from here, select manual CPC and then save. So as Google do not allow this manual CPC option when you open a new campaign, so we have to change bidding strategy from here after running our campaign. So now I'm going to this option, keywords, then search keywords. So these are the keywords for which we determined max CPC rate, which is 11.36. So I am going to set 11.36 for all of these keywords. So click this option, then edit, change max CPC bid, then put 11.36 value here, then click on this option, apply. So this way you can select max CPC rate for all your campaigns keywords, and you can change max CPC rate for individual keywords. If your campaign perform good for a specific keywords, then you can change the bidding amount by clicking on this option, then edit, then change max CPC bid amount. You can increase. So that's all. If you need any help regarding Google Ads campaign, you can knock me on my email address or direct message me on my Instagram account. I will add my Instagram ID and my email address on description below. Thanks to all.